Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Apple Insights iOS 27 tipped for stability, smarter Siri, and foldable support. Apple's upcoming iOS 27 update is reportedly prioritizing system-wide stability alongside significant AI breakthroughs. Insider reports suggest a substantially smarter Siri, powered by next-generation large language models capable of executing complex multi-step tasks. Most notably, the firmware appears to include foundational support for foldable iPhone hardware, hinting at a potential 2027 device launch. Other anticipated features include advanced health tracking and refined UI customization. By balancing performance reliability with deep AI integration, Apple aims to future-proof its ecosystem for the next decade of hardware innovation. Chroma Republic Day Sale, massive discounts on iPhone 15 and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Chroma's Republic Day Sale 2026 is live, offering heavy discounts on premium smartphones and electronics. The iPhone 15 is available at a significantly reduced effective price through bank offers, while the flagship Samsung Galaxy S5 Ultra sees attractive exchange bonuses and no-cost EMI option. Beyond phones, the sale features up to 60% off on laptops, smart TVs, and home appliances. With additional instant discounts for major bank cardholders, this sale provides a prime opportunity for consumers to upgrade the top-tier technology at highly competitive prices. Rising consumer frustration. Is TRAI doing enough to protect mobile users? Recent reports highlight growing dissatisfaction among Indian mobile subscribers regarding persistent call drops, deceptive service plans, and the menace of unsolicited commercial communication. While the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, has introduced directives like the 1600 series for financial calls, critics argue that enforcement remains inconsistent. Users are calling for more stringent accountability for telcos and simplified grievance redressal mechanisms. As digital dependency grows, the regulator faces increasing pressure to move beyond policy making and ensure tangible improvements in network quality and consumer rights protection across the country. Moto Watch featuring 13-day battery life set for India launch on January 23rd. Motorola is set to expand its wearable portfolio in India with the launch of a new Moto Watch on January 23rd. The smartwatch boasts a premium AMOLED display and an impressive 13-day battery life on a single charge. Key confirmed features include advanced health monitoring tools like SpO2 tracking, heart rate sensors, and multiple sports modes for fitness enthusiasts. Designed with a sleek aesthetic, the watch aims to provide a balance of style and longevity, catering to users seeking a reliable, long-lasting daily companion. Moto Lava Blaze Duo 3 teased India's next dual AMOLED smartphone. Coming soon, Lava has officially teased the Blaze Duo 3 ahead of its highly anticipated India launch. The device stands out with its unique dual AMOLED display setup, featuring a high refresh rate primary screen and a functional secondary display on the rear. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 760 chipset, it promises robust performance and 5G connectivity. Running on Android 15 out of the box, the smartphone emphasizes a clean software experience and modern design aesthetics. With this launch, Lava aims to strengthen its position in the premium budget segment by offering flagship-grade display technology. Netflix discontinues Google Cast support for most Android users. Netflix has officially removed the ability to cast content from its mobile app to most smart TVs and modern streaming devices, including newer Chromecast with Google TV models. According to an updated support page, the feature is now restricted. If a device has its own remote and native app, users are forced to use them instead of casting. The company claims the move aims to improve the customer experience, though many believe it is a strategy to curb account sharing and drive engagement within the TV integrated app. Today's A tool is Letterly, the AI voice-to-text powerhouse for instant professional writing. Letterly is a mobile-first AI tool designed for those who think better out loud. Unlike standard transcription apps that produce messy walls of text, Letterly acts as a personal editor, instantly restructuring your rambling voice memos into polished, usable formats. Whether you need a crisp LinkedIn post, a structured to-do list, or a professional email, its 25 pulse rewrite options handle the heavy lifting in seconds. Built for founders and creators on the go, it features offline recording, screen off support, and seamless cross device syncing. Supporting 90 voice languages, it is a game changer for overcoming writer's block and capturing ideas during in between moments like walking or driving. Our lead story is about Microsoft issues emergency fix for Windows 11 shutdown bug in first 2026 update. Microsoft has released an emergency patch following reports that its first Windows 11 update of 2026 triggered a critical shutdown bug. Affected users found their systems unable to power off correctly, with some devices stuck in infinite restart loops or hanging on the closing screen. The glitch primarily impacted enterprise-level hardware and certain laptop configurations. Microsoft acknowledged the issue promptly, citing a driver compatibility error within the new power management framework. Users are urged to install the out-of-band update immediately to restore system stability and prevent potential hardware overheating. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to upcharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.